Hello world, this is Binance app. This is Binance app. If you want to open a legit Binance app, I would like to recognize you to go straight to their website, binance.com. From there, you see at the upper of that website where you download your real app of the Binance. Now, to be yours. Now, how do you register? You comes to this place. You come to this place. You can see. You click here. You click here. You can see login. You can see login password. You can see login and password and register. You can see login and register. You click on register. After that, you wait for this to load. You have your real email address and unforgettable password. So instead of, you can see here we have register now. That is, this mainly for those that have account before. So you come and click your register now. You wait for it to load your country automatically. Confirm. After that, you click on personal account. You click on personal account, create personal account. You can see. Then you enter your email address, you enter your password, you click on agree. Understand me? You click on agree, so you move to the next one. Now, so you click on next. When you click on next after entering your email address, you zip this to get to the center. You can see when because it is not tally with it, so now you do it gently till everything. You can see now. Mark it good, so you can see you are good to go. You can see you're good to go. He said email address. You click on this. You have to go to your email address to copy the code sent to the account, so that you can continue. Go to your email address. Go straight to your email address.